Imagine holding the ultimate gaming power in your hands with zero joystick drift. Yeah, I'm talking about the Hall Effect Joystick Switch controller. At first glance, it might look like just another controller, but stick around because this is like the enchanted sword of gamepads. So let's dive right in. First up, the Hall Effect Joystick. It uses magnetic sensors, meaning no drift ever. Say goodbye to unintended Mario dives off the cliff. And hello, precision power-ups every single time. But hold on, check out that full-size grip. It's like this controller hugs your hands, promising comfort during those endless hours of intense gameplay. No more hand cramps. It's like a soft cushion holding your weary gamer soul. Oh, did I mention the 9-color LED lights? Choose a color to match your mood, vibe, or even game theme. It's like your controller is the DJ of gaming setups. Now you can stream in style. As if you needed more convincing. This beauty is compatible with both the Switch and Switch OLED. It connects wirelessly, freeing you to game wherever you want. On the couch, on the go, or when you're supposed to be studying. So what are you waiting for? Level up your gaming experience. Click the link in the description and check out the Switch controller with Hall Effect Joystick. Go ahead and see why everyone's swapping out their old controllers for this game changer.